Hello, I'm Arlo St. Thomas, and this is the Hot Water Beach. This is a beach on Mercury Bay on the east coast of the Coromandel Peninsula here in New Zealand. It's approximately 12 kilometers southeast of Whitianga and approximately 175 kilometers from Auckland by car. Its name comes from an underground hot springs which filter up to the sand between the high and low water tidal reaches. The beach is a popular destination for both locals and tourists like me visiting New Zealand. Annual visitor numbers have been estimated at 700,000, making it one of the most popular geothermal attractions in Waikato region.
Care needs to be exercised as the location of the hot springs are not far from the sea even at low tide, and visitors may be caught unaware by the large breaking waves. Hot Water Beach is known for its dangerous rip currents, holes, and large waves. Signs at the beach advise swimmers not to swim within 50 meters either side of the offshore rocks, which is opposite the springs, and to only swim between the flags if the Hot Water Beach Lifeguard Service are on patrol. Hot Water Beach's rip currents have claimed the lives of several unwary visitors, and the only strong and experienced swimmers are advised to enter the water.
Well, overall, this place is absolutely amazing. I wish I could stay here much longer, possibly live here. And as you can see, everything about this place is absolutely beautiful. And right now it's not too cold, but anyways, thank you for watching, and sayonara. And there's Sheldon.